life is about doing the thing you are dreaming about, and if you have the right mindset and really believe in your goals, then you can do the things. Life is not easy, and there is really no easy ways to do it. So with hard work and commitments, it's achievable. So keep for your dream, keep for your goals, keep fighting. That's important. So what I'm trying to say is, work hard, and then you will achieve your goals. So this is all for me. Down below there's a link to join my team. I'll suggest you to do that because we have some great things going, and we have all the training you need. You are not alone, and that is what it's about. Don't do the things at yourself. So that's all for me. Keep it tight, and I'll see you. Have a great day. Bye.